Let's take a big breath in through our nose, breathing in and holding that big, big breath. And now letting it go slowly through our mouths. Nice work.
Hi, welcome to Be Well with Miss Bea. I'm Miss Bea with my fur friends Quill and Oliver. So what are we going to learn about today? Today is the first day in our mindfulness series. Mindfulness is a powerful calming tool. Quill, can you explain what mindfulness is? Mindfulness is paying attention to the present moment. Thanks, Quill. Mindfulness is simple and really challenging. So what mindfulness skill are we going to practice today?
Today we are making a grounding hand.
Who can name their 5 senses? Seeing, smelling, hearing, feeling, and my favorite, tasting. Great job, Quill! So let's get started with today's activity. We will need paper, pencil, and something to color with. So let's get started. To create our activity today, we will put our hand on our paper and simply trace it all the way around. So on our pinky finger, we are going to write the word see. On our second finger, we will write the word touch. The middle finger, we will write the word hear. And the pointer finger, we will write the word smell. And on our thumb, we will write the word taste. We are writing these 5 words because those are our 5 senses which we're going to use to ground into the present moment. So C is on our pinky, which is our 5th finger away. So we will say 5 things we can see around us right now. Touch is on our 4th finger, so we will say 4 things that we can touch or feel. Hear is on the 3rd finger, so 3 things you can hear right now. And smell is on the 2nd finger, so 2 things you can smell. Taste is on our thumb, so 1 thing you can taste. Let's decorate our hand so it's something we want to look at, we want to use. So you go ahead and decorate yours, I'll decorate mine, and I will meet you back here.
Now that our hand is beautifully decorated, let's practice. Name 5 things you can see right now around you. Name 4 things you can touch right now. Name 3 things you can hear. Name 2 things you can smell. Name 1 thing you can taste. Nice work! You can ground into the present moment when you're having a big feeling. Just remember, your hand is with you everywhere you go.
Today's daily challenge is for you to practice with your 5 senses outside. Give it a try. Thank you for joining us today. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to catch the next one. Be well.